I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of my back patio. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I enjoy decorating, DIYs, shopping, home decor, the whole lifestyle. But today, I am hosting my very first collab, along with my girl Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. She is an incredible DIYer. She does great shop with me, and she's now doing tablescapes as well. So if you haven't subscribed to her channel, what are you waiting for? And together, we are the Ladies of Elegance. The Ladies of Elegance present to you Sophisticated Saturdays, an open freestyle collab for all YouTube creators. All we ask is that you create a video that is decor related in a sophisticated, classy, elegant style. Links to both our channels will be in my description box below, as well as a link to our playlist. So make sure you stop by and show us some love. Today I am putting together a Teaparty Tablescape in my signature color. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I put this beautiful tea party together. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of the YouTube creators who participated in the premiere episode of Sophisticated Saturdays by the Ladies of Elegance. Anna and I are so appreciative of your support. Whether you watched the playlist, watched our video, or participated in our collab, we thank you. We also would like to thank all of our subscribers, those diehard subscribers who have rode with us from the very beginning, and our brand new subscribers. We love you, love you, love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We love you so much, and we thank you for your support. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I hope today's video gave you decorating inspiration. Please make sure you visit the playlist for some awesome decorating inspiration from our participants. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, and I'll see you the second Saturday of every month for Sophisticated Saturdays.